Unlock luscious locks, effortless overnight hair transformation tips. Imagine waking up to effortlessly gorgeous hair every morning. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality. The secret starts with a silk pillowcase. Its smooth surface reduces hair breakage and retains moisture while you sleep. Before bed, apply a leave-in conditioner or hair oil to the ends of your hair. This nourishes and repairs damage overnight. Loosely braid your hair or tie it in a soft top knot. This prevents tangles and frizz, promoting natural waves. Swap out cotton for a microfiber towel. It dries your hair faster and more gently, minimizing frizz and breakage. Incorporate a weekly hair mask into your routine. Choose one tailored to your hair type for deep hydration and strength. Lastly, stay hydrated and maintain a balanced diet. Healthy hair growth starts from within. Watch your hair transform overnight.